channel. Last class we were discussed what is Quora and what are its features, how to create a Quora account. Those are the things that we majorly discussed. This class we are going to discuss Quora for Spaces, and this is the one where if you are running an institution, or if you are business owner, wanted to promote your business, wanted to drive your customer organically, then this is the best way to create. So in order to create that, you have to click on Spaces. This is called Spaces, and these are the spaces that I'm following. Spaces is nothing but group. These are the spaces that I'm already following, and this is my space, meaning that that is my group. Very recently I created it. In order to create the spaces, that your account should be super old. My account is 2016 I have created. Now that it is 2021, I'm creating a spaces. I haven't created immediately because I was not using my Quora account all these days because I was busy with my exams and other stuffs. So now it is a high time that I'm into multiple business, so I wanted to create a space in this. So very recently I created my space account. So in this I already created and invited my friends, and I have already posted one, and I'm eligible for monetize to answer the post in your spaces also, because it's quite old email account, Gmail account, and it's an old Quora account. So as soon as I created my space, it showed that I'm eligible to do so. So I already created one for you to for your understanding. I'm creating another space. I just go to home page first. Yeah, here it is visible my spaces. In order to create one new space, I just create one. Here it shows that Sumati Jaishalan space, but I want it to be in a blessing UPSC and KAS exams. So it is showing this name is available, blessing KAS and IAS exams preparations. I just put only PREP preparations. So it is available. I have to give in a brief description, so little descriptions I definitely should add. I already have it in my YouTube account, so same thing I'm going to copy and paste it over here. Quora gives little space to put the description. So do you have a big dreams, or are you thinking how to prepare for KS exam? Only so much I have added and created it. Yeah, here it is asking for to invite link, get invite link. You can copy this link and paste it somewhere you wanted. If you wanted to invite the people here, yes, you can go ahead and invite relevant people who are preparing for KS and IAS and other competitive exams. You can preview and send invitation to such people. Alright, so now that the space has been created successfully, it's showing, see, blessing KS and IAS exams prepare. Do you have a big dreams, or are you thinking how to prepare for the KS exams? So here about us, we have to give a lot of informations. So add details about us. I had little informations over there, so I just copied and pasted. If you want to search for the people, you can go ahead and search and add people, and if you want to invite people, you can still do that, and contributors also you can invite and do it. So I just update now whatever I have given the informations, and the post, first post I'll take that class as a different. This is the invitations that you can invite and people, and the queue that you can schedule it and keep it, and this setting part is very very important. You can change your banner and your logo. So in order to change your logo, and your logo, you can just go and click it on an icon. It's already, I have it on desktop. I'll put this. These all the things that I have downloaded from Pixel or Pixabay. So those are the free images which will enhance. Otherwise, Quora will not accept anything related to copyright. I'll add student's photo, so it will be relevant to this. So you can add and automate it, and this thing, which type of content can you added, let that be on, and who comments on the space, yes, and new subscribers, yes, you say this, and rest all to be yes, 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 yes. That's all. You can create a, you already created a space. Now if you go back and see, only thing we haven't added the logo here. In order to add that, we'll just go there, put some book logo. I already have a logo here, so just go ahead and click it on this. Fine, it will save automatically. If you don't want, you can delete this space too, and delete the space will remove the space page, and it all its content and comments, this cannot be undone. So Facebook, if you are deleting something, you can go and revoke it, but here it is not possible. So you always make sure that before deleting it, whether you wanted that space or don't want that spaces, you just think 2 times or 3 times, then you considering it, deleting it. So we already created a space here. In order to check that, you just go ahead and click it over here. In this also, I am into monetized dances and post in your space. So upcoming classes, I will be teaching how to monetize your thing and how to post your first postings and share your space feed. So that's all for today's class, guys. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.